Focus, discipline, hiya!
What's the matter, Jen? You seem distracted today.
Well, I just haven't been reaching my savings goals lately, and it's kind of stressing me out.
Ah, I see. Have you ever thought about saving money by leveling up your skills?
See, this is what I mean. Now I have to go buy a new pair of gloves. That's a good chunk of my monthly savings gone.
Not necessarily, if you can get crafty. After all, a needle and thread are cheap. And if you learn the skill of sewing, you can mend things instead of replacing them. This can apply to many expenses like home repair, vehicle maintenance, and even haircuts.
Yeah, I can do that. Well, maybe not the haircut.
Fair enough. To discover another great way that new skills can help you save, get cooking. We all have to eat, but buying your favorite culinary delights can get expensive. So why not learn the skills to make them? For example, I bake my own bread, pickle my own pickles, pop my own corn, and I make a mean flambe. I still go out sometimes, but learning cooking skills has saved me a fortune day to day.
Being a good chef would be pretty delicious.
Last but not least, you can get capable. Some new skills can help you advance your career, develop a nice side hustle, or hop into a more lucrative line of work. It took a ton of effort and discipline, but that's how I came to teach martial arts.
What did you do before?
Retail. Oh wait, I've got one more skill set you can learn. Cleaning paint off of walls.